Oh my god. I am not doing this unscrewing part again. This is ridiculous. It took me like 30 minutes and like 3 screwdrivers. I had to use clippers because I screwed the whole middle part, totally messed it all up. It's flat. There's nothing else. You gotta be so gentle, and the screw you have to have, it's ridiculous. I mean, they don't create the screws for that. I mean, this is so hard to get it out. Oh my god, it's so ridiculously hard. Screw messed up the whole clippers, everything. I was just gonna destroy it, but okay, I took my time and I got it done. I was so happy. Oh my god. You can get the new screws, whatever, online. I don't know where. I don't care. I'll get it later. I'm not gonna screw it that hard back. I mean, if I put a new one in, it's gonna be as gentle as it can be, so I can get it out fine next time. I guess Sony Corporation decided that nobody needs to get it out, and they just sealed it super hard in there. Okay, that's what I'm taking out, the old one. Slide it out. Really easy. Ta-da! Dust again. Dust everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Memories! Oh yeah! The beast is coming in. Okay, let's clean it from dust. Okay, how you slide it. Again, naked part this way on that, so 2.5 inches. You can put a computer hard drive in there. Actually, you can, but it's gonna be sitting somewhere like outside the PlayStation. I saw a guy do it on YouTube, but what's the point? You can just buy well, actually you can't buy an external hard drive because it has to run off something inside. So you can use external hard drive, but separately. You have to have something like that. Okay. Really easy to put it together. I show you how to get it out, get it in. I don't know what else. No comments. It's ridiculous. It's a pain in the ass. Okay, let me put it in and turn it on for you, so I won't waste time showing you this boring crap again.